Where is the color pink? This is the color pink. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, first we have a donut with pink strawberry frosting. I love donuts, don't you? Oh, look, a pig. What sound does the pig make? That's right. Do you know who this is? She's wearing a pink dress, and she's a mouse. That's right, it's Minnie Mouse. Bye-bye, Minnie. Do you know what shape this is? That's right, it's a heart, a pink heart. Ooh, have you ever had this before? It is an ice cream cone, and it looks like there's strawberry ice cream on it. I love strawberry ice cream. And last we have a pink Lego brick. Lego bricks are so much fun to build whatever you want. What do you like to build?